Guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be blow drying my hair, and not just with a round brush and a blow dryer, but a 2-in-1, and this is from Revlon, and honestly it works super good. It smooths out my hair, it makes it straight, and also it gives it volume on the top. And so when you just go through it, it's going to make it super soft, which I love. Ooh, I have to brush out my hair. So yeah, so if you guys want to see how I get my voluminous, smooth, straight, sleek hair, then just keep on watching. But also, one thing is that you have to have your hair damp. You can't be super wet, dripping. It has to just be damp, and my hair is getting to that level because I just took a shower. So I'm going to brush it through and then just start on my hair because it's not super wet. So if you guys want to see, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off by brushing my hair thoroughly all the way through on both sides, getting out those crusty tangles. Now I am going to part my hair in sections and then pin up what I'm not using, and I'm going to just do it maybe piece by piece, so maybe like 1-inch sections. Now, depending how wet your hair is going to depend how many times you have to run your hair through. So that's why it's pretty mandatory to not have your hair dripping wet. Just make sure it's just damp, so you're running through your hair just a couple times. At this point, if you want your hair to be more of a curl, then I suggest you, once you're done blow drying each piece, to pin it up with a bobby pin or something so that it holds the curl, and then when you're done blow drying your whole hair, you'll just take it out and then it'll be more of a curl than just a blowout. Now this section right here, once you get to the top, I'm just going to leave it there because you'll see in a second that I'm going to do something different with the top 2 sections. So just go ahead and just continue to do what you did on the other side to do on the side you're doing now. So with the top 2 sections, I am going to just brush it through, and I am going to just separate it section by section. In this time, I'm going to blow dry it forward just so that it can give me that volume instead of blow drying it downward. Blow drying it upward, it's just going to give you that much more volume. Every time I come to this last piece right here, it kind of gives me a little bit of a hard time because I don't pull all my hair back, but it's okay because I make it work, and I just keep going until it's all dry and I feel like it's just right. And so yeah, that is the final finish of my voluptuous blowout hair. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, mwah, and mwah. Bye!